Big, persimmon. That bunny wants to go on a different helicopter. Middle, persimmon. That bunny wants to go on a different helicopter. Look, these bunnies want to fly on a helicopter too. Help them sit on the platforms. Middle, jelly. That's jelly. More passengers incoming. Put the bunnies on the platform for the helicopter to take off. I've got an idea. Let's grow some new bunnies. Run your finger along the clear tube to get water. Excellent! Put the bunnies in the trolley. Star 1. Extraordinary! I wonder what bunnies will grow here. Run your finger along the tube. Wow, what a little cutie. Put them in the trolley.
Rectangle.
1.
Rectangle.
2.
Rectangle.
3. Extraordinary. You're doing a brilliant job. Let's try one more time. Wow.
Square.
1.
Square.
2.
Square.
3.
Square.
4. Just fantastic. You're so good at this. You got some wonderful bunnies. Help your friends get on the road. Put the funnies from the boxes into the right trailers. Pay attention to the funnies already sitting there.
Mulberry. Mulberry.
Well done. Which funny goes in this trailer? Good work. Who's heading off now?
Blackbird.
Great. Which funny goes in this trailer?
Parrot.
Congratulations, you did it.